Hey everyone! Today, we're looking at JSHealth Vitamins Hair and Energy, a supplement that claims to boost hair growth and energy levels. We've taken it consistently to see whether it actually works or if it's just another overhyped pill. The formula contains Kelp, which provides iodine for thyroid health, and zinc, which is essential for hair strength and growth. After testing it, we noticed that hair shedding was reduced, and hair texture felt stronger over time. Some users report faster hair growth, and while we saw some new baby hairs, the most noticeable benefit was less breakage. On the energy side, we did feel a subtle improvement in stamina throughout the day, but it wasn't a dramatic caffeine like boost. It was more balanced and steady. The pros are reduced hair shedding, gradual hair strength improvement, and better energy balance due to iodine support. The cons are that results take at least 6 to 8 weeks. It's not cheap for a supplement, and if your hair loss is hormonal or medical, this won't be a miracle fix. Overall, JS Health Hair and Energy is not a scam. It provides real benefits if you're consistent, especially for those with mild deficiencies. It's worth it if you want a steady, natural approach to hair and energy support. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam free.